This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video, I'm just going to have a quick review of some of the topics from the Junior Certificate Geometry course. So our first stop is angles and lines. So the couple concepts we're going to look at here, first of all, is vertically opposite angles. First off, vertically opposite angles are angles which have the same vertex and are directly opposite each other, as the name would imply. The main theorem which applies here is that vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So if we have two lines like the two that I have here, and we label our two opposite angles, angle 1 and angle 2, then angle 1 and angle 2 will be the same. The next point is that a line which cuts two or more lines, usually parallel lines, is called a transversal. And the theorem associated with this is, if a transversal makes equal alternate angles on two lines, then the lines are parallel. So you remember that for alternate angles, we have to look for the Z shape. So in these two parallel lines here, we have a transversal running through them. And we're saying these two green angles here are alternate angles. And we look for the Z shape. So this Z shape here is what we look for when we're looking for alternate angles. Next, when two lines are parallel, if and only if, for any transversal, the corresponding angles are equal. So remember, for corresponding angles, we have to look for the F shape. So here again, we have our two parallel lines and our transversal running through them. But this time we're looking at this F shape here between the two parallel lines and the transversal. These two angles, these corresponding angles, are equal. The last thing here is that the interior angles between two parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. So this time you're looking for this sort of square C shape here between your transversal and your two lines, again, that are parallel. So in this case, our two angles here, angle 1 and angle 2, add up to 180 degrees.